Hi, my name is Christina Avila-Pollack, and this is my mathematician presentation. Today I will share with you the mathematician I chose to speak about, Carl Friedrich Gauss. I will share with Carl Friedrich Gauss who he was, I will share why he is considered a mathematician, and I will share 3 important facts about Carl. I will also share Carl's contributions to mathematics and what they were. Who was Carl Friedrich Gauss? Originally named Johann Friedrich Carl Gauss, he was born April 30th of 1777, which means if he were still alive, he'd have a birthday coming up soon. He would be 243 years old. Happy birthday to you, Carl. Why is Carl considered a mathematician? Carl Gauss is referred to as the Prince of Mathematicians, and the greatest mathematician since antiquity. He has a remarkable influence in many fields of mathematics and science and is ranked one of history's most influential mathematicians. He's also known as a calculating prodigy, and he's able to retain the ability to do elaborate calculations in his head. He completed his mathematics degree by the age of 18. What an accomplishment. Important facts about Carl. Carl Gauss, for many years, he was an astronomer. Gauss was the first to succeed in the task, which required the use of the least squares method of approximation and an improved estimate of orbit shape. He published major works on the computation of orbits. Gauss invented a new method of calculating orbits from a minimum number of observations. Gauss also invented one of the world's first telegraphic systems. In 1833, Gauss, along with Wilhelm Wilbur, invented one of the world's first telegraphic systems. They invented a binary alphabet code, enabling communication between Weber's physics building and Gauss's astronomical observatory, about 1.5 miles apart. By 1835, their telegraph lines had been installed beside Germany's first railroad. The picture to the right is the first telegraph system, what it looked like. Contributions to mathematics. Gauss is known for his contributions to number theory, geometry, probability theory, geodesy, planetary astronomy, and the theory of functions and potential theory, including electromagnetism. At the age of 7 years old, Carl Gauss had recognized a pattern and sequence of numbers when he considered the sum of the following numbers, shown in the diagram. In no time, Gauss had discovered that the sum of the first 100 natural numbers is 1/2 times 100 times 101 equals 5,050. At 19 years of age, Carl Gauss constructed, until the point in time under discussion as known regular 17-sided figure, using only a ruler and compass, a major advantage in this field since the time of Greek mathematics, formulated his prime number theorem on the distribution of prime numbers among the integers, and proved that every positive integer is representable as the sum of at most 3 triangular numbers. The picture to the right is a hectadectagon, or a 17gon, is a regular 17-sided polygon, which Gauss showed could be constructed geometrically. He used just a compass and ruler. Gauss wrote the first systematic textbooks in algebraic number theory and rediscovered the asteroid series. He published works on number theory, the mathematical theory of map construction, and many other subjects. At the age of 22, he proved what is now known as the fundamental theorem of algebra. Although it was not really about algebra, the theorem states that every non-constant single variable polynomial over the complex numbers has at least one root. Although the initial proof was not rigorous, he improved on it later in life. What it also showed was a field of complex numbers in the algebraically closed, unlike real numbers, where the solution of the polynomial with real coefficients can yield a solution in the complex number field. Gauss was a very intelligent person. He even later in life, at the age of 62, taught himself to speak Russian. Carl Friedrich Gauss died February 23rd of 1855. Cause was from a heart attack. Thank you.